So small jaka, in a reme, there is hunger. That means say there is suffer. The girl on bondi pikin, papa for the pikin, he chapum. He say no day, he run. He vamos. The girl now, what he do? He don't write now for social media. He write Christopher Wu, that footballer, what they call it, say Christopher Wu. He beg he say, may help you. He write to, he talk about situation with pikin, and then he snap picture. He then say, what na water they come up for the pikin, but they don't put some tube for inside. Or the pikin know for piece on away to you. Man of you know. The pikin dey 5 years. His name na Bienvenue. Ndefo Bienvenue, the only cry, till no day, way no day. That Reme talk say he need money for operate this in 5 years, pikin. He don't make that SO. Plenty people they don't say give small money, eh? So one they don't give 100,000, so one they don't give 13,000, 50,000, 10,000, 25, 3,000, 25,000. And then Christopher Wu himself, that footballer, he don't contribute 1 million. Christopher Wu don't send 1 million for support that Reme. So the contribution they see come out, he continue, and they talk say the operation will take place now for reference hospital for Sang Malima. Because now for day that pikin day as I will talk now. So if you see picture for that pikin, then you not touch your heart for say maybe try help small. That means say I don't know how to put that. That means sometimes you dey for some big problem. We wait for help no day. But because if you wait for help day, if you see that picture for that pikin, the nature of the pikin day, I don't know. What even hospital too, no people in hand for say me they support them, may they operate that pikin. Because Minister for Health, they don't try to do some of these things. So I think say they too they fit intervene for operate this pikin for this situation. You as papa, you give bele, that means say you give biok for Zoreme. The Reme don't take them biok now, he born pikin. Pikin come out the sick, you run you kwata, you no one see you, no matter for day. You say food with your chop, I no give you. So man pikin them, they pass my power.